can easily extend that to give yourself some, some shade. Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 296 RDTS. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on TikTok for more videos. Now, let's get started. Starting out at our outdoor entertainment space, we have this nice large awning out here. This awning is super easy to use. Just with a touch of a button, you can extend that out and have some shade. We also have an LED strip. It goes all the way under this awning, so if it's dark outside, you can easily light things up. We do have our door on this side, and we do have a nice set of stairs over here. And there are a couple of changes to this 2024 Reflection. They've given you a handle on this side. They always give you a handle, but this one is an upgrade. It goes down lower and it is super sturdy. So if you have anybody with mobility issues, they're gonna have no problem getting inside. Also down there is a leash hitch. This is perfect for all your dogs, cats, other animals, anything that's on a leash. You can just hook that out there so your dog can come out here and party with you guys as well. Also, one more thing, they've given you a rounded skirt bottom on this Reflection. This is just a safer option, so if any dogs or kids or anybody just small runs under the camper, it's just safer. They're not gonna hit anything, and it's really nice. Also, one more thing, they have done away with the indoor-outdoor speaker system. You still have speakers inside, but you don't have any out here in this entertainment space, so if you do wanna listen to some music, you're gonna have to bring along a Bluetooth speaker, but that's no biggie. Now, let's move on to the storage. Grand Design has given you a large pass-through storage space. This is in the front of your Reflection, and it has lots of room for all your outdoor items. And since most things are going to be outside, they've given you this nice flooring in here. This just makes it a lot easier to clean when things get dirty down here. Also on the other side, we do have our convenience bay with all the hookups you're going to need at the campground, including your battery disconnect, and right over here is your solar disconnect as well. Now, let's check out the inside. When you first walk into Reflection, over on the right-hand side, you do have your control panel. This is where you can control all your lights, your awnings, and your slides. Down below that is where we control our speaker system. There's no outdoor speakers, like I said, but you do have some inside, so that's where you control all of that from. Also, we do have some upgrades over here. Behind me is our entryway door, and they've given you this nice, lovely molding up top. This is just kind of a little aesthetic upgrade, very cute. Also, your screen right here is prepped to have a Lippert thin shade in there, so if you want to add that in, it's just a nice little thing to give you a little bit more shade inside. And one of the really cool features down here, you can kind of see this screen right here. It is a pet enforced screen, so if you have some dogs in here and you want to have the screen door open and they're scratching at things or just kind of run into or anything, this is enforced, so your dogs are going to be okay and they're not going to run through that screen or anything. Now, let's check out the living space. In the back of our camper, we do have our U-shaped dinette. This dinette is huge. You can have your whole family eat dinner all at once. There's plenty of room for everybody. We also have windows all around us, so you're gonna get all of those campground views at dinner time. There's storage up above and a 2024 upgrade. In all Reflections, they have given you a pet drawer. So this has 2 bowls for your dog to eat dinner alongside of your family. Now, let's check out the rest of our living area. In our living room side, we have these theater seats. These seats are super comfy, and each one actually reclines. We also have some cup holders on both sides with a few settings on them. There is a heat setting, a back massager setting, and a light setting. So if you want to have some nice underlit lighting when you're in here, you also have that. There is a few 2024 upgrades over here as well. As y'all can see, this slide down here, they've given you some flush flooring. So when this slide comes in, it is very seamless. You can't see that like little lip right there on the slide. We also have upgraded molding all the way around each slide. Just makes it look more put together in here and really nice. This is a perfect area to watch your TV on, so let's check that out. Our entertainment space is located right across from those theater seats. And over here, right by your entryway, you do have this nice little area for your keys or other items. That's perfect to have right by your door. Also, beside of that, they've given you this great big Roku TV. This is perfect to watch all of your movies at, or some TV, whatever you want to watch. Down here we have lots of countertop space, and underneath this we do have a couple more 2024 upgrades. In this center drawer, they've given you designated storage. So this one has specific spots for all your silverware or other kitchen items. And down below we have more storage and another upgrade. This one is more designated storage for your trash can, so you don't have to have a trash can sitting out. You have that nice and tucked in right here. Moving on to our kitchen area, We have some overhead storage up here. This is perfect for pots and pans, or if you want to have some spices, other stuff up there. Down below that, you have your microwave, your typical 3-burner stovetop with that splash guard. Underneath that is our oven, and one more upgrade. And this Grand Design has actually partnered with Travelfi. So this has Wi-Fi already installed. It's kind of a pay-as-you-go system. So I would definitely ask your salesman about that. Moving on to the rest of our kitchen, we have plenty more storage in here for all of your dishes. Over here, they've given you these see-through cabinet spaces. So this is perfect for all your dishes and your glassware. So you can kind of see in there and see what's clean. Down below, we do have our sink and more counter space. I love how back here they've given you an electrical outlet. So if you want to put maybe a margarita machine back there on your counter, you can do that. They've given you this nice drying rack on your sink, and it does have a retractable nozzle. And then underneath that, you do have this little open area for your sponges. And down below, we have more storage for your cleaning supplies. And probably the best part of the kitchen, they have given you an extended countertop space over here. So this just easily pops up, giving you just a little bit extra countertop. So if you want to have a full buffet, you can do that easily. And that just pops down. There is a button down there, and it just easily goes down. And the last part of our kitchen, we have our little pantry area over here with storage above and below. These are really deep. They go all the way back there, so you're gonna have room for all your groceries. And over here in our slide next to our theater seats, we do have our refrigerator. It is a freezer on one side, fridge on the other, and there's so much space in here. And check out the front of it. It's so pretty. Now, let's check out the bathroom. In our bathroom, we do have our medicine cabinet. This opens up, giving you some storage in there. Perfect for all of your toiletries. They've even given you this little open shelf right here. You can set your toothpaste up there and your toothbrush. We also do have our sink with a lot of countertop space and an electrical outlet to plug in all of our electrical items in the bathroom. There's more storage down here. You could honestly put a smaller garbage can in here, or cleaning supplies, or just stack all your toilet paper down there. Moving on to the left side over here, we have more storage up here. This is a great area for all of your towels. Even if you wanted to have some pajamas in the bathroom, I don't know, you have plenty of space for that. Down below, they've given you a hanging bar for your towels, and we have our step to flush toilet underneath that. And behind me, we have a very large sized shower. There's plenty of room in here and tons of head height in here. They have done away with the skylight in here. They were having some issues with some leaking in those, so they listened to everybody and they did get rid of those and gave you a nice reinforced ceiling in here. We have an awesome shower head in here, and it is detachable, so if you want to bring your dogs along and give them a shower, you can do that. We have some built-in shelving over here for your soaps. And one thing to note, this isn't a bathtub by any means, but it is a very deep shower. So like I said, if you want to bring your dogs in here to give them a shower, they're going to have room to stand in here, and you're going to be able to bathe them easily. And no water is going to be running out into the floor, which is a nice plus. Now, check out that private bedroom. Your second side of this camper is your wardrobe slide. They've given you this nice large area close to your bedroom, and this opens up, giving you tons of room for all your clothes. There is a hanging bar in here and a removable shelving unit. We also have plenty of drawers, and even this little area over here. This could be used as maybe a desk area, or if you want to use it as a dresser top and put your jewelry and other items up there. We also have some drawers and just plenty of room for all of your clothes. Now, check out the rest of the bedroom. In your bedroom, you have a queen size bed and some overhead storage. This is very roomy up there, so you could even put your duffel bags up there. On both sides, you do have a little open up drawer right here. Perfect to put some stuff in as like a little night side table area. You also have that tabletop right there to set a glass of water on before you go to sleep. There's electrical outlets on both sides, and you even have this nice little shelf up here to set your phone on, because you do have a USB and USB-C port right in the middle. You also have one more closet area in here, so let's go over here and check that out. Across from your bed is your second closet space. You have a couple drawers down below and an electrical outlet over here. This opens up, giving you a closet space with a hanging bar and a removable shelf. This is even a washer dryer prepped, so if you kind of like to go on a long haul for your camping trips, you can get a washer and dryer and take that with you. If you're interested in this or any other camper in our Grand Design line, make sure you give us a call or visit us at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.